Hello everyone, Felita here. I am coming out to you today. Wanted to show you how to make your own alkaline water. Now, I know that a lot of people believe in buying alkaline water. I have never been one to buy alkaline water because I know how to make my own alkaline water. And plus, it can be very, very expensive. And this is a very cost-effective way to have alkaline water, okay? Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to start with filtered water. Now, I use the zero water filter system, and this water filter system filters out all of the chemicals, all of the bad things out of the water. And if you don't like water, when you start filtering your water using this system, I promise you, you're going to start loving water, okay? All right, so you're going to start with filtered water, and you're going to need key limes. The reason why you want to use key limes is because they are very, very alkaline. They are very, very highly alkaline. And they also have seeds. I did some research on the difference between limes, regular limes, these are conventional limes, and these are key limes. You'll see that they're smaller. So Dr. Sebi talks about, he shared how key limes are genetically modified. Key limes are not. So key limes actually contain seeds in them, and that's the difference. So you want to make sure that you buy key limes, okay? I used to use lemons, but I realized that the lemons do not alkaline my body as well as the key limes do. So all you want to do is just take your key lime, and you'll see here when you slice open the key lime, you can see here that the key limes have seeds in them. So that tells you that they're directly from nature, okay? So all you want to do is get you a lime squeezer and squeeze the juice in your water. And I actually, when I usually drink my water throughout the day, I use a 36-ounce container and for my water, so that I can have, because if you use just one key lime in your water, and I just go ahead and I make sure that I wash these key limes as well. Make sure you wash them real good. I usually put baking soda in mine, let mine soak in baking soda for about 15 minutes, and then I kind of scrub them off to make sure that I get off all of the debris and everything. And I just put the key limes inside my water, okay? Another thing you can do is that you can take just a little pinch of Celtic salt and put in your water as well. And I'm telling you, it's going to really make a difference in alkalining your body and bringing your pH level up. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want to make sure that your pH level is always, your body's pH level is always at 7.0, or just a tad between 7.0 and 7.5. And the reason why is because cancer cannot live in an alkaline body, okay? And how you can test your body to see if it actually works is you can purchase these pH strips. They're called med lab strips. You can buy your own, but you test them either with your urine or either with saliva. And on the back, there is a chart that tells you, and it gives you an indication when you go to the bathroom, you use the bathroom, you check your urine. It will tell you if your body is acidic or if it's alkaline. Now, you don't want it to be too acidic and you don't want it to be too alkaline either. You always want to make sure that it's in the middle. But when you test your urine, you'll see, you can use this chart to use as a guide to let you know exactly where you are. Okay, now if you're interested in purchasing these pH strips, or if you're interested in purchasing the water filter, you can click on the link in my bio and it'll take you directly to my Amazon store, and you can purchase either one of these. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Till the next time, take care. Take charge. Bye for now.